Ba 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 ba. Are these approved? These ones are definitely Amarillo approved. You had lots of company today, didn't you? Yes. Was everybody in love with you? Tell Aunt Teresa thank you for all the toys. Yes. Tell her and Olivia thanks. Look at all that stuff. Look at all that stuff from a girl. Yes. I know, sweetie. Yeah, I love you too. I can't keep you all. No. Yes, I know it hurts my heart every time I have to let go of one. But, good girl. Yes. Yes, I know. I'm so sorry. Hmm? Are you doing the little clucky dance? Yes. Hmm? Yes. I'm assuming this is the Amazon clucky dance, the tail feathers bent sideways, the because me and Amazons really aren't like in it to win it. We're usually with the eclectuses and macaws and kaiques, and I have to tell you, I've just never really been in it to win it with the Amazons. You gonna come see me? Come on. Are you a pretty girl? Come on. Good girl. Look at you. Yeah. Oh, that's a pretty girl. Okay, here I go getting carried away again with taping. Yes, okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.